Good morning, sunshine. What a wonderful day to take a trip. Is that really necessary? Take your time. I assure you, I've never been that interesting.
Hello? Oh, hello.
Just clothes and a few personal items. Go ahead. Nothing to hide here, officer. All right. Oh, it's for my woodworking. I never meant to bring it here. Call who you need. Okay, I get it. Can we not do that again? I respect your decision. Hope we can sort this out. Is that really necessary?
Hello.
Good vibes only today. Hope you guys have an easy shift.
Oh, I saved the one people. Oh.
Of course, take your time.
Got it.
Of course, take your time. I hope you packed your curiosity. It's a very boring suitcase. Is that really necessary? Awesome. Now onto my flight. Have a great day.
Open your pocket.
Hey there, just a routine check, right? No worries at all. I hope you packed your curiosity. It's a very boring suitcase. Oh, that's a gift, just a little souvenir. Of course, take your time. Well, I guess I'll just stand still now. Well, I guess I'll just stand still now. All right, no need to get physical. Is that really necessary?
All right. Don't hit me again. Oh, wow. No hard feelings, right? All right,
Easy peasy, see you next time.
There, officer. I guess I'll just stand still now.
Good morning, sunshine. Really not a wonderful day to take a trip.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow, I didn't see that coming. That's standard procedure.
I understand, just doing your job. Hey, no heart. Job. Job.
And who will be crowned the
take this away? Who is son? What's up? What's up, Bing Bong? Hello. Hello. Oh, I got a shot.
Look,
Oh.
let's just do this quick, okay? I just really need to catch this flight. Take care of my stuff. I mean, I'm not hiding something. Listen, if there's something weird in there, it's not mine.
What you got in here?
Wait, are you sure you need help? Please don't hit me again. I learned my lesson.
I think what do I call it? I would say
I thought you were gonna stop me for a second.
Hi, take care of my stuff. I mean, I'm not hiding.
mm,
Listen,
I'll hold my
if something's weird, it's not mine.
No more volts, I'll leave.
Okay, just stay calm. Oh wait, I mean, I am calm. Is that real? It looks real. Head out now. I think I left my belt on, or maybe it's the coins. Okay, just be careful. There might be delicate things.
got it.
You'll find no
Why did you check your oh?
See,
Let me
nothing
see
weird. I
some-
mean, why would there be?
Open.
Okay,
Open
just stay
up.
calm. Oh wait, I mean, I am calm. Is that real? It looks real.
You will stuff in here. Wait, I'm sorry. Whoa, wait, hold
I
up.
need to open that.
Hold up. Hold up. Oh, you just put the hat on? Yeah, no, you ain't going.
Look, I swear I didn't pack anything weird.
Right.
standing still is my
Okay.
No, you can't go.
Please don't hit me again. I learned my lesson.
I just said go.
Ow! Okay, I give up!
Why won't this work?
Oh no, that really hurt. Is this legal?
No. Dude,
Oh wow, really? I mean, yeah, of course, thanks.
I would say
Oh wow, lots of security today. That's good, right? Yeah, totally good. Is that real? It looks real. Listen, if there's something weird in there, it's not mine.
why do I have this on? How do you call security? How do you call security? How do you call security though?
Oh wow, really? I mean, yeah, of course, thanks.
Okay, I did not mean to press that. Oh, bad.
All right, here we go.
Oh, I'm
I packed
sorry,
everything
my
properly, I
I'm
think.
sorry.
You think
Bah!
you're faster than me.
Bah!
Ah!